case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
There once was a legal dispute that landed in the hands of the Supreme Court concerning the Federal Rule of Civil Procedure 68. The crux of the debate was sifting through the ambiguities of language around the legal term costs and whether this could include attorney's fees. This dispute sprang from an earlier decision by the Court of Appeals. The lower court had concluded in favor of the defendant, maintaining that under Rule 68, the settlement offer they had proposed was not only valid, but also encompassed the attorney's fees as part of the costs. This painted a financial target on the plaintiff, who had rejected the offer in hope for a bigger win, but instead received a smaller judgment and was slapped with their attorney's fees bill. However, all roads led to the Supreme Court, who saw this case through a different lens. Eschewing the lower court's interpretation, the justices emphasized Rule 68's original intention, to encourage settlements and circumvent litigation. In this light, they held that attorney's fees did not square up with the meaning of costs within the framework of such settlement offers. The implications of the case reached as far as its civil rights litigants. Rule 68, the court stipulated, also covered offers in such cases where judgments involved damages and costs. This forced plaintiffs whose fight was for civil rights to ponder over the worthiness of elongated litigation post a settlement offer. The court failed to find any explicit congressional intention to exempt these litigants under Section 1988 from the reaches of Rule 68. In conclusion, the Supreme Court flipped the earlier narrative by the Court of Appeals. Rule 68, they clarified, did not shove attorneys' fees under the umbrella of costs. This ruling reversed the financial responsibility off of the unassuming plaintiff's shoulders, suggesting a resolution more in line with the original intentions of Rule 68, which was to promote settlements over protracted lawsuits.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.